Now that we have laid down our epoxy primer, we're gonna sand the surface with 320 grit. And after that we're gonna apply putty to some uneven surfaces like that. I don't know if you see it on the camera, but almost every place that I have welded something, like a bolt hole or something like that, we probably will need to put some putty to even it out. Then we are gonna do seam sealers in every place where the metal goes over each other. Otherwise the water is going to go in between and start rusting. So, let's see how it goes. I didn't have any 320, so I'm using 400. Hopefully it sticks well. Using this was a lot better option, even though it's 240 grit, but still doesn't take as much paint off the car. So put one stripe. That's a thumb rule. I am applying putty over these spot welds so that they don't, so that you can't see them anymore. I am now applying seam sealer. It's something that you need to put when the metal overlaps like that. Otherwise the paint will crack and water will get stuck in the middle and start rusting. I have done almost the whole engine bay. just a little left. I am using a seam sealer that I bought from a painting website, from an auto paint website. Then I have some thinner in a cup. Not good for your skin, but today we will be painting the next stage. It is a 2K high build primer. The previous one was a epoxy primer to seal the metal. Now we will just need to do a wax and grease remover and paint. Yes. So I'm taking my microfiber cloth and waxing grease remover and applying it with one microfiber cloth, then removing it with another clean one. I am going to attach my homemade exhaust fan to this pipe that goes out the door right there. Just need to open the door and attach it. Now I have attached the pipe that goes out and the fan on the outside. This is how the fan looks now. I have it a bit not like inside the pipe because it sucks so much air. I'm afraid the painting booth is going to suck in. I'm going to do a test to see how it works. So dry hand, man. Okay. I have now mixed first an epoxy primer that I will put on the spot where I have put putty and so on. Plus I will paint these stuff that I forgot last time. Now we have the epoxy paint inside the engine bay where we had some putty spots and stuff like that. That is finished and it turned out great. Really good. So the next one will be 2K high build primer that I will put over the whole front end inside the wheel arches too. The reason why I didn't put epoxy paint here right now is because I have not repaired it or put any putty or went through to the bare metal, so in some places here. So I didn't have to. Now I have laid down the second coat of the 2K high build primer, and I noticed that I put like 2 lean coats at the end. I started putting heavier coats, so some places are pretty rough because of that, but hopefully we will be able to sand that down so it becomes smooth. Otherwise, it turned out good. So now we will just wait. I don't know how long, but probably a day. Maybe we sand it tomorrow. So, see you then. So now that we have laid down our high build primer, we are going to sand it with 600 grit with the orbital sander. This one. Then I have 600 and 800 sandpaper by hand for the more difficult spaces. I'm using this for the flat spaces. I noticed when I painted the high build primer that I didn't lay down it wet enough, so it didn't become so smooth. So I will have to do a bit of sanding in all areas. Yeah. But some places turned out better, like here. Yes. So let's get to it.